Video games have always transported us to new worlds. We've battled mythical creatures, explored distant planets, and solved intricate puzzles. But something incredible's happening in the world of gaming. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing everything. It's here, making games more immersive and engaging. Imagine stepping into a game world where every character feels truly alive, NPCs that react to your every move, adapting their behavior. AI is creating experiences that are dynamic, unpredictable, and personal. From smarter NPCs to procedurally generated worlds, AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Join us as we explore AI in gaming, enhancing the player experience, creating unforgettable adventures. One of the most exciting applications of AI in gaming is in the development of smarter and more believable NPCs. Traditionally, NPCs have followed pre-programmed scripts, their actions and dialogue limited by the developers. However, AI is changing the game by empowering NPCs with autonomy and intelligence. AI-powered NPCs can analyze player actions, learn and adapt their strategies. This means enemies in a shooter can become more cunning and challenging. They learn your tactics and exploit weaknesses, leading to intense firefights. In role-playing games, AI-driven characters can engage in more complex interactions. They remember past conversations, form opinions, and pursue their own goals. AI isn't just about making NPCs smarter, it's about making them feel more human. Advanced animation techniques, coupled with AI-powered facial recognition and natural language processing, are creating characters that are more expressive and believable than ever before. In games like The Last of Us Part 2, we see the power of AI in bringing characters to life. The characters in this post-apocalyptic adventure exhibit a remarkable range of emotions. They express joy, sorrow, anger, and fear with a level of realism that was once unimaginable in video games. This emotional depth is made possible by a combination of cutting-edge motion capture technology and sophisticated AI algorithms. The result is characters that feel like real people, capable of forging genuine connections with the player. This level of realism has a profound impact on the player experience. When the characters in a game feel real, their struggles become more relatable, their triumphs more rewarding. We find ourselves caring about their fates, invested in their stories as if they were our own. Another area where AI is revolutionizing game development is in the realm of procedural generation. This technique uses algorithms to automatically create game content, from vast landscapes to intricate dungeons. Traditionally, game worlds were painstakingly crafted by hand, a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. Procedural generation, on the other hand, allows developers to create massive and varied game worlds with a fraction of the effort. One of the most impressive examples of procedural generation is the space exploration game No Man's Sky. This ambitious title features a procedurally generated universe containing over 18 quintillion planets, each with its own unique flora, fauna, and resources. The sheer scale of No Man's Sky would be impossible to achieve without AI. Procedural generation allows developers to create games of unprecedented scope and variety, offering players endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Section 5. Crafting dynamic worlds, but procedural generation is about more than just creating large game worlds. It's about crafting dynamic and ever-changing environments that react to the player's actions. Imagine a game where your choices have a lasting impact on the world around you. In an AI-powered game, your decisions could influence the growth of cities, the rise and fall of empires, or even the evolution of entire species. The world would become a living, breathing entity, constantly adapting to your choices and shaping the course of your adventure. This level of dynamism could lead to truly emergent gameplay experiences where no two playthroughs are ever the same. Players would be encouraged to experiment, to see how their choices ripple through the game world and shape the destinies of its inhabitants. Section 6. Adaptive storylines. Your choices matter. AI is also transforming the way stories are told in video games. Adaptive storylines, powered by AI algorithms, are blurring the lines between player choice and narrative design. In traditional games, the story is often linear, with players following a predetermined path. Adaptive storylines, on the other hand, respond to the player's choices, branching out in different directions and leading to multiple endings. Detroit Become Human is a prime example of a game with a compelling adaptive storyline. In this neo-noir thriller, you control the fates of three androids struggling for freedom in a futuristic Detroit. Every decision you make, no matter how small, can have far-reaching consequences, shaping the course of the story and determining the fate of its characters. This level of player agency is incredibly empowering. It creates a sense that your choices truly matter, that you are not simply along for the ride, but are actively shaping the narrative. Section 7. The impact on player agency. The rise of adaptive storylines and AI-driven narratives raises intriguing questions about the nature of player agency in video games. Are we truly in control of our destinies in these virtual worlds, or are we simply puppets dancing to the tune of sophisticated algorithms? It's a complex question with no easy answers. On the one hand, AI-powered games can offer a level of freedom and agency that was once unimaginable. We can make choices that have real consequences, shaping the world and its characters according to our own desires. On the other hand, it's important to remember that even the most sophisticated AI is still bound by the rules and parameters set by its creators. The illusion of free will in a video game is just that, an illusion. However, this doesn't diminish the power and potential of AI in storytelling. By carefully crafting the rules of the game and empowering players with meaningful choices, developers can create experiences that are both deeply personal and surprisingly unpredictable. Section 8. AI in game testing and development. While much of the focus on AI in gaming centers around its impact on the player experience, AI is also playing a crucial role behind the scenes. Game developers are increasingly using AI to streamline the development process, from testing and debugging to level design and asset creation. Traditionally, game testing was a laborious process, requiring human testers to spend countless hours playing through games, identifying bugs, and providing feedback. AI-powered testing tools can now automate many of these tasks, freeing up developers to focus on more creative endeavors. AI can also be used to analyze player data, identifying areas where players are struggling or disengaging. This information can then be used to fine-tune the game's difficulty, balance gameplay mechanics, and ensure that players are having the best possible experience. Section 9. Streamlining the development process. The use of AI in game development is not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the need for specialized expertise. Developing and implementing AI systems requires a deep understanding of machine learning, data science, and other complex fields. This has led to a growing demand for AI specialists in the gaming industry. Game studios are actively recruiting engineers and researchers with the skills and knowledge necessary to harness the power of AI. Another challenge is the potential for bias in AI systems. If not carefully designed and trained, AI algorithms can perpetuate and even amplify existing biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes in games. It is crucial for game developers to be aware of these biases and to take steps to mitigate them. This includes using diverse training data sets, carefully evaluating the output of AI systems, and being transparent about the limitations of AI technology. Section 10. The future of AI in gaming. The future of AI in gaming is incredibly exciting. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more immersive and engaging gaming experiences. Imagine games where NPCs are virtually indistinguishable from human players, or where the lines between the virtual world and the real world become increasingly blurred. One area of particular interest is the development of AI-powered virtual companions. These companions could provide companionship, guidance, and even emotional support within the game world. They could learn about our preferences, adapt to our play styles, and become trusted allies in our virtual adventures. Another promising avenue is the use of AI in virtual reality and augmented reality gaming. AI could be used to create more realistic and responsive virtual environments, enhance player immersion, and even personalize the gameplay experience based on our physical surroundings and emotional states. Section 11. The dawn of truly intelligent games. The integration of AI into game development is still in its early stages. Yet the potential of this technology to revolutionize the gaming landscape is undeniable. As AI systems become more sophisticated and accessible, we can expect to see a new generation of games that are more immersive, engaging, and deeply personal than ever before. These games will challenge our perceptions, push the boundaries of storytelling, and redefine what it means to be a player in a virtual world. The dawn of truly intelligent games is upon us, and the future of gaming has never looked brighter.